Hello, team! Good morning!
Kamay kinikilig ko yun.
Ayan!
Lagay mo, mga beauties ko. Kamay kinikilig ko yun. Hindi mo lang mula ulo mo kang pa.
Reminder, no, na to always seize the moment, okay? Never forget to yung core value nato na do more with less and always continuous improvement. Mao na siya number 1. Everything happens for a reason and always remember kung makareceive man tag detractor or whatnot, it doesn't define you who you are. Okay? And let's have that as a parang opportunity for us to become a better version of ourselves. There are 3 things that I would like to share with you as early as now. If you wanted to step up, no, given that it's a startup account, number 1, you should be people smart. Okay? No one should be left behind. Ibig sabihin, you need to learn as early as now to adapt different types of personalities. Dapat as much as possible ka ng naakay ka ng passion for people. For you to get the wisdom is that you have to be thirsty for it. Okay? May it be a win for the long run, pero ngayon hindi nyo pa makikita yan. Pero the mastery of your knowledge, hindi yan mananakaw sa inyo. And that's a gift na parang you can be proud of. For example, if someone will ask you, kuya, imagination na nimo, ata na kag solution. And then the third one is humbleness. Yun lang. Stay humble, as far as possible. To Socrates. You know Socrates? Socrates? Pilingan na mo sa kwan?
Oo. Abang maid.
Maid ni Jerby. Ana siya, bago na ka mag-istorya, dapat isa-alang-alang, liwang tulo ka buta. First, make sure what you are saying is the truth. Okay? Next, if it's necessary. Okay? Kailangan ba niya mabalaan? And the last one is, review what our team goals. How are we going to do it?
Teamwork, teamwork, teamwork.
What are daily goals?
Teamwork, teamwork,